What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to download the AppSync tweak on iOS 14. AppSync tweak allows you to install unsigned apps on your iOS device. This is one of the most important Cydia tweaks. Alright, the first thing you will do is open Cydia. Go to the sources here. Now here you will add this source, which is current source. You will need to add this source to download the latest version of AppSync tweak. After adding this source, guys, go to the search bar here, search for AppSync Unified. As you see, this is the tweak and this version works on iOS 5 up to iOS 14.4.1. When you install this tweak, guys, make sure that you have installed it from current source. Okay, now click install, confirm. When installing the tweak, you will see an important alert. As you can see in the warning here, if AppSync is not working after installation, please reboot your device or run ID restart to fix it. You will only need to do this once. But if you have installed the tweak and it works with you, you don't need to do anything. Now just restart your device. After installing the tweak, it will work automatically. You will not find any new settings for the tweak in the settings app. After installing the tweak, I will install an unsigned app. Okay, I will install XWidget app. Install. This app is not signed and therefore I will not be able to install it without AppSync tweak. And boom, as you can see guys, the app was installed successfully. Now I will go back to the home screen and I should find the app. This is the app. I will open it now. As you see guys, it works without any problem. AppSync tweak is one of the most important tweaks that you should download and install. This tweak will allow you to install any unsigned app on your device. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.